Seeing a faint second copy of your image repeated further down the page? That's ghosting. 60 seconds. Let's fix it. Ghosting has 3 causes, and they are easy to tell apart. 1. A worn drum. If the ghost repeats at a regular interval down the page, measure the gap between them. If it is right around 3 inches, that matches the drum's circumference, and your drum unit is done. 2. A tired fuser. If the ghost looks faint and smeary, and your pages come out cool to the touch, the fuser is not reaching temperature. 3. And this is the most common by far, the wrong paper. Paper that is too thin, too damp, or made for inkjet will not release toner cleanly. Swap in fresh 20-pound laser paper from a sealed ream. Here's the one that gets everybody. Before you buy a single part, print 30 blank pages in a row. If the ghost fades out as you go, it was just residual toner on the drum, and you cleared it for free. More printer fixes at Castle Ink.